the place.
This is the
where we are.
where we are.
Yeah.
I don't know where.
This is the drivers and the passenger is here.
I don't know where you've been. 30 rupees.
30 rupees, 30 rupees.
New business.
Yeah, one person 30 rupees. You can visit here. The driver also very kind. Please come. They will give a discount if you are lucky then.
If you're lucky then.
Yeah.
The best utilize of Pro.
And I'm the benefit of YouTuber that for me is only 1 rupees.
1 rupees.
The bhara is only 1 rupees. Yeah. Oh, cholo,
Subscribe to our channel. You subscribe to our subscriber increase. You increase our view increase. You increase money we get. Money we get. Boat new boat beautiful yachts, big yachts. Titanic we buy.
Titanic,
you come to you Juliet, I'm Romeo.
Yeah, yo.
You Juliet, I'm Romeo. Not you.
बात तो सही है.
Bro, who's watching this video? Okay, you Juliet, I'm Romeo in Titanic.
Oh, driver, say hi.
Hi. No, say hi, I'm wrong.
Cho, palu cháu. Samson, you can do it. Non ke London Bridge ke par po.
Very risky.
Tong there po. Tong there happening. Hi, hello guys.
Success.
We are in London Bridge. Yeah.
Là vì lưu xì là gì?
Ui, don't join. English luôn à, trong là gì cơ? English luôn. Sit down and just nicely you. Có cái gì bà? See this view. If you come in the evening, you will get to see the sunset from this side.
From this side, sunset.
Yeah, sunset is not already over, but you can come in afternoon, evening, or morning, or wherever you are free.
When you're sick.
Yeah.
This lake is very magical because if you come here, this place will make you look more beautiful.
मजा नहीं आ रहा है.
Yeah.
More beautiful, but this magic lake is not working for me.
Guys, if you know this man, you please comment down below, okay?
Comment down below. Actually, I'm quite famous, you know.
You quite famous. This assistant of Man vs Wild.
Oh.
So he is traveling here.
The new Man vs Wild. Yeah, plus the river monster.
Yeah, you see my backside. This is large. This tank also having there.
And this is actually.
But we are not going to. We are not going there.
This is actually not a king tooth, okay? This is not actually king tooth. This is big crocodile inside.
Ah, big crocodile inside. You very dangerous here.
ऐसा मत करो मेरी जान. Like में कुछ अच्छा करो यार.
Piang tooth to you, but this is actually shark.
Yeah.
You don't believe? You come and see.
You don't believe and come and see. You can come there. Yeah, this driver will tell the place. Oi, tell the place name. Driver. Yeah, Engleng and.
This is Xeroscopy of Goa Beach. This is also Goa, but Xeroscopy.
Yeah, this bus driver is very dangerous. Okay, be careful. This is the water bus.
Did you ever watch the movie Titanic? In that film, the original driver is here.
Yeah, that's the original driver.
The duplicate driver is just.
So that ship is already in the under the sea, so he retired.
Retire.
नहीं.
Ôi, đá bóng vào trong luôn, hải luôn luôn. Spend a long day without you, my friend. And I tell you all about it when I see you again. See you again.
We come a long way.
Yo.
Where we begin.
Where we began.
Kia vô lọ. Kia vô nó là gì break nè.
Hô làng xong rồi hả?
Chị. Phải meeting ngô cô. And I tell you all about it when I see you again.
Aku mau tibik pe bodam nang po.
When I see you again.
Cà phê đi. Cà phê đi đi cô.
How can we not talk about families when families all that we got? Into the wood, I will push a new rap on my side. See our Titanic driver.
Yeah.
He's so expert that
Let's go.
he's making the boat flying on the water. Flying on the water, okay? This boy is making the boat flying on the water.
Làng ở đây. Yeah.
Samson. The one who defeated the Mam Yang Tae. The one who defeated the
Home King của Samson này. Nanti district one nào rồi.
Oh, this Samson singing tea.
Kita dia đang cho rồi.
Oh. A home king.
Jadi juga district yang sakit dan lain.
Black peacock.
Ôi đằng phương này không đang xin biết đầu tiên còn đây là bọn này rồi. Còn kia là cái quay.
Con bang duduk mereka. Patu dapat dengan yang sih.
CCTV đâu cũng đang đấy.
Ah.
Boy, phong lên kia nó tìm đi ở direction của đi mà đi sừng nữa. Yo. I'm on the disco dancing. A direction contact kan lo. You see the direction from this side.